Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Farhan Ahmad and my topic is the black hole. My friend have already briefed you what is black hole and how it come into exist. So I am here to brief you what is black hole and what is the reaction in the star that a black hole exists. So what is star? Star is the hydrogen mass of a black hole. Star is the mass of a hydrogen that here the reaction that we can read, that is hydrogen into helium. And every star want to become stable, that is core fusion. And when a star becomes its core becomes hard, then its core will be iron. So when the core will be iron, the star was stop his fusion reaction and it start decaying and getting bigger and bigger, and then it will explode. That is called supernova. That is called supernova. Actually, the every star has an onion peel structure. Onion peel structure means that is the core, and the core is made up of iron, and that is the reaction placing here, that is hydrogen into helium. When a star completes its fusion reaction, its core become harder and harder, and when its cores become most hard and dense, then a star completes its fusion reaction and become explode with a supernova. All of the stars will not become supernova. After become supernova, not become a black hole. Some of them become white dwarf. Some of them become neutron stars. And some of them will be black holes. White dwarf stars. The white dwarf stars are those stars which have the mass like a sun, and these will, after completing his fusion reaction, after exploding a supernova, they will become white dwarf. And the stars that have 4 to 8 times more mass than a sun, they will after explode of supernova, they will become neutron stars. And the stars that are by Scuti, US Scuti, or that are the biggest star known in the Milky Way galaxy is the US Scuti, and that was 5,214 light years away from Earth. The scientists predict that after completing his fusion reaction, the US Scuti will become a black hole. And after because it is very away from Earth, so it's not related to Earth and it cannot destroy or escape Earth into it. I have already told you that the stars that have mass equal to sun or less than sun, they will become white dwarfs, and the stars that have 4 to 8 mass of the sun will become neutron stars, and the stars that have more than it will come black hole. Like white dwarf stars are sun, and the neutron star is the nearest star to the Earth. You may say that any other star, and the black hole will become after US Scuti. The scientists predict that the US Scuti is the biggest known, and its diameter is about 13 to 14 times of the sun. And after completing its reaction, he will become a black hole. And it's my end. I will invite my next friend for the speech. The last speech.